If your skin has refused to glow no matter what, you have tried so many things, it has refused to glow no matter what, just go on and try it every night before you go to bed. Thank me later. In case you are new here, I share beauty tips, health tips, mainly beauty tips. Go through my videos. You see lots of skincare tips, natural way to take away some skin problems, enhance your skin, and make your skin look flawless. Using natural way, of course. So subscribe so that I can get more tips like this. Let's go on. With a few ingredients you can find in the kitchen. Get your skin glowing, spotless, and beautiful once again. Here is honey. Honey will help to calm irritated skin. If you have acne, if you have blemishes, it will get rid of it. With consistency, of course. This is a natural way to make your skin look better, always. Take care of your skin so that you can go out there with no makeup. You thank me later, of course. So get honey. The next ingredient I use is aloe vera gel. So get any brand of aloe vera gel. You can use the natural plants. From plants, just bring it out, scrape it out, transfer into the bowl. I'll show you how to do so. So this is the one from the store. Aloe vera helps to get rid of irritation, sunburn, smoothens the skin, also very anti-aging, meaning that it will make you look more youthful, erasing those lines, fine lines and wrinkles. So for those that have dry, flaky skin, if you have dry skin, think of aloe vera gel because it will hydrate your skin. Your skin will look supple and beautiful once again. So the next one, which is very important, next one is vitamin E capsule. So get any brand of vitamin E. Sometimes I always use organic type of vitamin E. This is also good. Vitamin E here will help to repair a damaged skin. Like it hydrates the skin, moisturizes the skin, keeps the skin very smooth and supple. Also giving you a beautiful natural shine, a lovely glow. So after getting these three ingredients, honey, aloe vera gel with vitamin E capsule, you just go on and get a mixing bowl. Just the way I mix these three to form a very good paste that when you apply it on your skin will thank you for it. So you need to add 1 tablespoon of honey. Just 1 tablespoon is enough. Then for the aloe vera gel, squeeze in 1 tablespoon of it. If it's the plant one, just scrape out 1 tablespoon as well into the bowl. One thing about aloe vera gel, especially the one from the products got from the store, is that as you add it into a remedy, it will make that remedy more watery. It's normal. So if you find anytime you add aloe vera gel into a product, it turns more watery, do not be afraid. It's just normal. Vitamin E, just pop it, just bring it out like this. I've not added it, so I want to do it right now. Either you use a pin or you use, just add some few drops from 1 capsule, just like this. So in case you do not have vitamin E capsule, do not worry. You can make use of zip oil. You can also make use of sunflower oil. They all contains vitamin E as well. So you have to mix together. Mix and mix. Okay. Then you have to wash your face thoroughly to remove makeups, if you have makeup, to remove all this, so that as you apply this remedy on your naked skin, it will penetrate, repair your skin, and work better. So I will show you right now how to apply it for best results. So just apply it. This is a very simple remedy that works greatly. Removes blemishes, smoothens the skin, makes your skin glow. If you are applying some skincare products, you want to glow your skin but it's not working out, try this remedy. This is a repair, please. This is just to apply and rinse off. So as you apply your skincare products after this, it will start working because you have already treated your skin. No more roughness, no more blemishes. Your skin will be so happy and you'll be so happy as well. All right, so go on and apply it all over your neck as well. Alright, so when you are done, you have to allow it for 15-20 minutes. So this is because you want it to penetrate, have time to work better. Alright, so after that, you have to go and wash it out. So I will leave it for some time. Go rinse it out I'll be right back and show you the next. All right, so after rinsing it out, you feel your skin will get brighter, like it will look so better. You feel it, you feel so smooth. Even if it's not yet smooth the way you want, be consistent. Apply this every night for 3 nights. You'll be so happy. Like after this, apply your usual skincare products. You see your skin accepting it because you have already repaired your skin. So skincare products will be working perfectly. So after washing it off, apply a light moisturizer. You can just go on and apply your skincare products or any oils like rosehip oil, the ones I mentioned, just to avoid dryness. If you don't have a good skincare products, I have one I prepare, very natural. My skincare products made by me, perfectly good for you to unify your complexion, give you the best. Just contact me through that WhatsApp and I'll give you what will suit your skin without causing any side effects. This video here is very good. Click on it and watch. You'll be so happy. Thank you so much for watching. Just try it and let me know on the comment section how it goes. I'll see you next time.